Welcome to our tutorial on registering as a representative on the SARS online query system. To begin, visit the SARS website. Scroll down and click on the SARS online query system button. Then click Register a Representative button. Select Entity Type. Capture the entity name. Select Tax Type. Then capture the tax number. Select ID type. If South African, choose ID. Then capture the number. Capture tax and identity number. Then click Next. A capture screen will appear. Type the characters exactly as shown and click Submit. View the upload tips and ensure adherence to the rules. Click on the Upload button to browse your PC and locate the supporting documents to be uploaded. Once complete, click the Submit to SARS button to send the captured details and attach documents to SARS. Once your registration is verified, we'll send the results directly to the email address you provided. SARS at your service.